In a small town, there lived a young girl named Liba. She was very punctual and believed that time was everything. One day, on her way to school, she found a broken watch lying on the road. The glass was cracked, and the hands were not moving. Her friends laughed and said, "Why pick up useless things?" But Laiba took the watch home and kept it safely. A few days later, her grandfather noticed the watch. He smiled and said, "This watch stopped, but its value did not." He repaired it slowly and carefully. When the watch started working again, Liba felt proud. She learned that some things need time and care to become useful again. From that day, Liba stopped judging things quickly. She understood that patience can repair even broken moments.